Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be going time traveling. If you guys have played this game, or if you guys have watched the movie, it's very it's a very good movie. But this is actually my favorite movie, so I'm going to play the game about it. It's called Project DeLorean. I will leave a link in the description for the video if you would like to check it out. So yeah, you guys can't hear computer audio right now. It's just playing some music. I don't need the tutorial because I actually did this once, and that's a cool intro. Project DeLorean. No thanks, because I already know how. Okay, open up. What you have to do, you have to come over here, get it open. I would just recommend doing the tutorial yourself. And then you press the button, and it makes the DeLorean. Just like that, and some of it falls apart, but then it fixes itself. And let's open the door. Oh, ruh-roh. Gotta put some stuff in there, I forgot. Put that in there, and then, how am I gonna open the door? Okay, luckily I can move. Okay, I'm just gonna put that down. And we are going to put in a date. So let's go to, let's go to the future. Let's go 0-11. So that will be the 11th month. Oh, shoot, I gotta turn it on. Eef. So we gotta go clear. 0, 1, 1. So that's the 11th month. And then the day is going to be 28. Year can be 20. 2035. Hours is going to be 12, and the minute's going to be 16. Hopefully I got that right. I didn't either. 0-11 28 28 year 20. Gonna put all, or I know what I'm doing wrong. Clear. I'm sorry guys, this is taking so long. So 0-11. The day is going to be 28. And then we are going to go to the year of 2020. There. And the hour can be 12, and the date and the minute can be 13. Here, I'll pause the video. I'll get back with you guys when I get it. Okay, guys, I am back, and I have a date up. It's March 12th. We're going to March 12th, 2056. Yeah. So let's time travel. Okay, let her get up to 88. That's actually cool. Look at that. Look at that. We are in 2050. Yes, I forgot about that glitch. Don't break, don't break, please don't break, please don't break. Don't break, please, please. Thank you. Okay, good, it has an auto flip. Where should we go to now? Okay, first I got... So always, guys, open the door. There we go. I want to get out, open the... oh, my mouse is stuck. There we go. Let's put some more plutonium in there. Or I should say some more stuff in that thing. So, where are we gonna go next? Well, I'll catch you guys back when I have another day. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, we are back, and now we are going way in the past. We're going to January 12th, 1912. So, yeah, let's do some more time traveling. Let's do one from the back angle. Oh, yes. Okay, we are now in 1912. Okay. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Does that only happen when you go into the past? And I can't open the door. There we go. Oh, stop! That was weird. But let's put some more plutonium, or let's put some more stuff in here. And then we're going to go back to the... Let's go to 1955. The quote unquote the best year for science. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, we are back, and now we are going to 1955. Now, yeah, this is gonna be cool. I messed up like 20 times and I couldn't get it. Hit the gas, hit 88. There it goes. Well, guys, let's go play with the other car. Oh, that's 15 Robux. But, that's going to wrap it for this video, I think. I hope you guys enjoyed this because I definitely did. I'll put a link to this game in the description. Amazing game. Absolutely really fun if you like Back to the Future. So hope you guys enjoyed and see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.